Welcome back, everybody. So we are getting ready to head out of Fort Wilderness here, unfortunately. Sad face. I don't want to leave. But we will absolutely be back probably every single year. And this is fun. I love this. This campground is so nice. And we didn't even scratch the surface. We were here for 6 nights. We didn't even scratch the surface. We did like 10% of what they have to do here. And we only went to 2 park days. But that was a lot of fun. We are going to get packed up here, and we've got a cool campground tonight, actually. Not one that I would expect, but it's Love's Truck Stop, and they have campgrounds now. And this one has like a splash pad and everything, so I don't know what to expect, but it looks really cool. So that's going to be our overnight stop tonight. Hopefully Carly will get to play at the splash pad, but we're going to get packed up and head out here in a minute, and let's hope you guys tag along. You guys, check this out. So this site right here, they turned their pop-up sideways so that their campsite was like facing the gravel pad. It's kind of freaking cool. So many people do so many cool things with their sites, man. I'm gonna miss this place. Well, we're pulling out, unfortunately, and this is more like it. This is what I'm talking about, the time-wise. That is perfect. 303 miles. That's a perfect amount of mileage to drive in a single day. So we are heading out. The campground we're stopping at tonight is actually a Love's Truck Stop. They have campgrounds now. That'll be fun. Ready, Franklin? Franklin's. Ready, Carly's? You got a new Disney toy? Are you holding Pocahontas?
Mm-hmm.
And Moana?
It's not Moana. Oh.
She has Moana too. Pocahontas. Cars. All right, here we go. Oh, there it is. It says thank you for visiting Florida. That's sad.
Yeah.
So now we're officially out of Florida and Georgia. But there's a nasty looking storm, which I hope it's not where we're camping in a little, like an hour and a half or so, because there's a splash pad there. Carly would love a splash pad.
Well, maybe if it does come, it's very quick.
Look at this storm.
I know.
That looks nasty. Hopefully it's not where we're camping, because I really do want her to do the splash pad. Look at it, there's the Florida sign.
Aww.
Carly, we made it. We're in Cordell, Georgia. Okay, so we're getting off our exit here, and we're gonna hop over here to the Love's and check in for our spot. I'll have to show you guys the campground when we get there. It looks pretty interesting, so I don't know, I'm excited. It wasn't very expensive. It seems it's full hookup too. It should be a good overnight spot.
And it might have something fun for her.
Yeah, hopefully the splash pad's open. So this is kind of cool. They give you the gated code when you actually get the email. So you check in at the kiosk that you're here, and then like you just go find your spot. It's pretty simple. I mean, there's not really an attendant or anything, but it works. So our site is actually right there.
Nice.
Right next to the dog park. Bailey will be playing with, hopefully. Okay, so we got parked. Carly's excited. They have a splash pad and it is open. So look, it's super cute. You walk in here. We need to stay at more of these. This is nice and it's super cheap. Full hookup for $40. So they have the splash pad here, and then I'm gonna hit this. Hit the button. And it splashes. Well, it turns out Carly likes the splash pad more with the water off, but whatever. She's still splashing around with her feet and she likes it. Huh, Carly? Alrighty, so Carly went to the splash pad. We got back inside, and I really like this little overnight stop. All the truck stops need to do this. It's 30 or 40 bucks, freaking perfect. Pull in, park for the night. Even if you don't have the amenities are nice, but 30 or 40 bucks, pull in, just easy. And then this one,
They do have amenities.
I know, but I was like, even if they didn't.
Oh, yeah.
But then they also had a Bojangles at this one, which is definitely better than Chick-fil-A. I don't care if anyone thinks otherwise.
Trust
I love Chick-fil-A, but Bojangles just beats the crap out of them.
Yeah, I will say I do not agree that Popeyes is above Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is above Popeyes.
I think Popeyes is above Chick-fil-A.
No, it's Chick-fil-A, or it's Bojangles, then Chick-fil-A, then Popeyes.
They have really good tea too, so they do. We got a family meal.
Like actual Southern sweet tea.
Yeah. We got a family meal that came with 8 pieces of chicken, some biscuits, and some fries and mac and cheese and stuff. So then we're gonna take Bailey to the doggy park. All right, I gotta say, I'm really liking the Love's RV stop campgrounds. It's so nice. This is a perfect overnight. Just pull in for the night, you're tired. Oh, here comes someone in right now. It's about 9 o'clock at night. But we pulled in around 6. That was perfect. 300 miles today, absolutely perfect. That needs to be our travel day. 300 miles, get in by 5 or 6, relax. So we had a nice dinner. Carly got to play at the splash pad. Now Bailey's at the dog park, playing around. He's being a good boy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Drop. Good boy. Bailey's wearing off a little energy too. I would highly recommend these Love's RV stops for your overnight. I mean, I wouldn't stay here for the weekend or something, but for an overnight, this is an A+. This is perfect. Very good morning, everybody. So we are heading out here at the airport. We never disconnected last night. 10 out of 10 would recommend the little Love's overnight stops. That's perfect. But here's a good look at the actual site. They're huge. The Imagine probably could have stayed connected to the truck. But yeah, no, they got your dog park over there, splash pad. They've got a little general store up there with firewood and whatnot. But yeah, I mean, 30 amp, 50 amp water sewer, everything you need. This is great. Several people pulled in late last night. So it was cool. I like it. Super nice. I think they got like 50 sites here. So I want to see them do more of this. This is nice. I'll stop over here on our way out too. They've actually got a pickleball course too. And they've got a couple of these, two of these. So they've got these super nice little shared pavilions. Check this out. They've got a grill that you can use and some tables. And then they've got the pickleball course here. And then down here, check out some of these sites. This is super nice. But they've got another one of the shared pavilions here. But man, these sites down here, they've got their own pavilion. These back end sites. Look at this. Look at that. Huh. Yeah, the sites down here, man, they have their own little pavilion for the table. That's cool. Man. And then right here is some pull-throughs. This whole line is all pull-throughs. That's super nice. Oh, they got a fire pit area over there. Dude. More back ends over here like ours. And then check out this fire pit area. Oh, and it looks like it's propane. Holy crap. That's super nice. But yeah, they've got, yeah, communal fire pit. And then you can get a good look here. Those are all pull-throughs along the back, all the way over there. And over here are all back ends. And then we picked over there because the dog park for Bailey in the splash pad. But yeah, super nice. All right, let's get on the road. There's Tennessee. We're only about 50 minutes from our campground. It was like another 315 miles today, so we're almost there. They actually called us. I think they were trying to see if we were going to be there before the store closed or not, but it's only about 4:30 right now, so it's not too late. But we just crossed into Tennessee and the gas price dropped 30 cents a gallon. That's fun. Yeah, we are just about there. We got parked. This is a super cute little campground. So we're heading to the camp store real quick, and then we're gonna go over to the Jumpy Pillow. But
I got excited now, but she realized we're trying to take her.
It's really cute. I like this little campground. I got so much stuff here.
Hey, show Kevin. They have lovely blocks.
This one's for you, Kevin. Lovely blocks. Heck yeah. Oh, here you go. The Ass Blaster Hot Sauce.
Oh, and they have a can opener. Didn't we need a can opener last time too?
Yeah. Got all sorts of freaking stuff.
Did you see this stuff?
Ooh, they have a rinse out. That's super freaking nice.
They're not crap. You want your stuffies?
All sorts of stuff in here.
Stuffies?
Goodness. Come on, Carly's. Wow. They have so much cute stuff here. We found Pete's coffee. Carly got a bug juice. We'll see. This is so cute. I love little camp stores like this. This is why it's so good to only drive a couple 100 miles at a time, because we got here at like 5:30. Carly has plenty of time to play around. We went up to the camp store, got a drink. It's just relaxed time. So she loves the jumping pad. So it's perfect. This is why you don't just mob across the country and not stop. You got to stop and relax. It's a pretty well laid out little KOA. Everything's right in the center.
Yeah, I like that. You don't have to walk everywhere.
Yeah, everything's super close. Like, look from here. Right there's the jump pillow you can see. Now we're up here.
Well, it's nice for the people that are way far back. They don't have to walk all over the place.
All the campsites are just in a circle, basically, around the camp store, which is really cool. And then the pool right behind me, right next to the playground, this little shelter house. Carly's walking around playing a little bit, but it's a super cute little campground. Our trailer is literally right there behind us. So we ended up getting a good site right next to the store. So, Carly's.
Pete's Ice Coffee wins.
Yeah, you definitely gotta, I think that 300 miles is the sweet spot for us. It's perfect. It's nice to have hours to relax at the end of the day.
You know what I miss? Those little lizards.
The little lizards in Florida were super cute. So we're gonna do a full video on this update too, but we do have plans for this winter now and officially are part of 1,000 Trails. So we're gonna do a full video of like what membership we got and everything like that. But it's nice. I like this. Good morning, everybody. So unfortunately, that is the end of our Disney trip. Sad face. This is our last drive day. We got 6 hours to go. We'll be back to the Imagine. This is a cute little campground. I really like this. But we got some cool, nicer sights too. But got the Airstream never unhooked. Good to go. We're gonna hop back on the road and get back home, unfortunately. Well, back to the other RV. I definitely recommend that little campground. It was super cute.
Oh yeah, Sweetwater KOA. They were really, really nice in there too.
Yeah, the everyone that was there that we met was very nice. The camp store, really well stocked, had all sorts of stuff.
It wasn't just stocked. They stocked it with like everyone that was local to them, which was like they had even like usually you have like your t-shirts and stuff like that, but they had like tea that was made local and stuff like that.
Yeah,
really neat.
It was close. It was like about a mile off the freeway, so but you couldn't hear freeway noise. It was far enough.
No, I forgot we were this close to the freeway. To be honest,
it was far enough that you couldn't hear it, but nice little spot to stop overnight. Carly got to jump on the pillow and
little like I don't know if it's a pro tip or not, but if you can, please try to get to campgrounds by 6. And it's not for the campground or anything. It's for you because most of the stuff is still open, and you can refresh and decompress and do laundry or whatever or stuff like that while like just refreshing before your next travel day.
We were totally going to do laundry last night, but they didn't have a change machine, unfortunately, and we did not have quarters. So we will have to do.
Well, and the shop was closed.
Yeah, we'll have to do laundry when we get back, but that's okay. We're headed back now, headed on the freeway already. It was like 3 minutes to the freeway.
Validation for overpackers. Nice. I did not overpack this trip, and I'm regretting it.
It's unfortunately this is the last part of our Disney trip, but I think we already have reservations in November and December in Florida, so we will be in Florida all winter, I think, and then I'm not sure where else.
With the exception of holidays.
So I'm not sure where else after that, but we'll see.
Maybe California next.